Hi guys, this is Eunice and welcome to Shaw Urban Medicine. Welcome to Shaw Urban Knowledge. Today we're going to be talking about Gingko, and of course you may or may not know that Gingko is the oldest tree in the world, and it does bring us some great health benefits and things like that, and we're going to get right into that. Ginkgo leaves are used to make medicine, and it has been used to make medicine for centuries and centuries. And the information that I'm giving you from my research study are studies that have been proven, that Ginkgo does help. Okay. All right. Okay. Excuse me. Ginkgo does help with blood disorders, and also definitely help with memory and things like that, help with blood circulation and all that. And there's so many people nowadays who have those issues, who has medicine and so far, and some of the medicine actually causes blood clots and things like that. So it's a lot of people that are using some supplements and so far. Of course, if you wanted to start an herbal supplement or regimen, seek Herbal or healthcare provider, because most people are already on traditional medicine, and you want to make sure that these medicine interact in a good way and not a bad way. Okay. You also do have some herbs that also help with blood circulation, blood disorder, and things like that. You do have the cayenne, ginger, and then you have chickweed and so forth. But today we're going to be basically just talking about Ginkgo and the part that it plays with the blood circulation disorder and other health benefits as well, and so forth that Ginkgo do give. Now, I have hit on this topic before, talked about it before, so we're just going to go back and talk about some of the things that you may or may not forgotten and things like that. Okay, Ginkgo fights anxiety and depression. Ginkgo is really great again for memory. It does aid in Alzheimer's, help to prevent Alzheimer, or help to decrease it and things like that. It also aids in PMS. It also is great for the eye health. It's great for brain health, eye health as well. Also, Ginkgo aids in headaches. It reduces asthma symptoms and so far, especially this time of the year, or you're going in, get ready to go into spring and so forth. And usually that's when a lot of allergy springs up, is during spring season and everything. It also aids in hemorrhoids. And I do know a lot of people do suffer with that. It does help with that, because it does have those antioxidants and things like that in the Ginkgo. It aids in ADHD. It also boosts the libido. You hear a slew of information on that and so far, to help ER, and they have so many medications coming out for that, or to help that. Ginkgo also help boost a libido, and that's for men and women and so forth. And it also fight off or help aid in fibromyalgia, and also it aids in the risk of Alzheimer. That's what I'm saying. It does aid the brain, eye health, and so forth. It does so many, give you so many health benefits, as well as aiding in blood diseases and disorders and so forth. It gives you all these extra benefits and things like that. So this is something that you can relate to. This is something that's for all ages and so forth. Gingko is herbal medicine for all ages and things like that. So if you have any of these symptoms, this has been proven through research studies and so forth. And of course, I always recommend you do your own research study as well, or you seek a herbalist or healthcare provider that will help you with doing the little research on your traditional medicine and gene code to make sure there isn't any bad reaction, just all good reactions and things like that. So that's one of the reasons why you need to seek someone if you do decide to use any herbal medicine and so forth, because some of these herbal medicines are really powerful, and they really do help and all that, but they also can have some kind of side effects with other traditional medicine and things like that. So you need to keep that in mind. And so for when you do decide that you want to try out something natural as herbal medicine and so forth, because and the reason a lot of people do want to go to something natural and so forth is the fact that whatever the doctor is giving them is not actually working. And so they want to try something else. They want to try something that's a little bit less harsh, because we all know that the pills, the traditional pills and so forth, things like that, can be harsh. They do take a long time to resolve in order to get into your system and all that. So, and some people, want to try to get away from that, but they still want to be healthy. We all want to live a wellness life. So I'm all in for that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over this real quick and so far, the bullet points and so far. Also, too, you can use Ginkgo in two, two different formulations. You can do herbal capsule or you can do herbal tea. Uh-huh. Yeah. And also too, as I've said before, if you do herbal tea, it works faster, helps you out faster and so far. Although you can use herbal capsule. Capsules do dissolve pretty quick. These are not like hard traditional medicine type. They are herbal capsule, which pretty much dissolve. So that'll get into your system pretty quick as well, but not as quick as a liquid. Okay, so we do know that Ginkgo does aid in blood disorders and memory problems. That's the first thing you see when you do your research. Those are two the main thing. And again, we do have, if you're just looking for blood disorder, blood circulation, then you do have these other three herbs and so forth that can help you. That's cayenne. That's that cayenne pepper, ginger, and chickweed. Okay, now we're talking about gene code, and here's the bullet points on the gene code. It does aid in anxiety and depression. It does aid PMS, premenstrual syndrome. It does aid in eye health. It does aid in brain health. It helps to aid to decrease Alzheimer's. It does aid in headaches, reduces asthma symptoms, um, aid in hemorrhoids, and it does aid in ADHD. It do boost the libido, and also fights fibromyalgia, and also again aid in risking and decreasing Alzheimer's. So these are a lot of things that this gene code herbal medicine does give to you, health benefit and so forth. And you deserve it. You deserve to be healthy. You deserve to be well. You deserve to live a wellness life and so forth. We all do. And this is the reason why we bring this information to you, so that you can use this information to help you to have a wellness life, to live a wellness life, and so forth. And some doctors will, you can talk to them about it, and they will actually, um, you know, agree with you, or and then some don't even want you to even speak it. Don't even speak that herbal medicine here. That don't help you. But anyway, millions and millions of people in this world that are using herbal medicine say different. So there you have that. So this is Eunice with your herbal medicine, and I'm here to give you some herbal knowledge. Hopefully, if you cannot use this herbal medicine, pass it on. Maybe somebody can. We all want to live a wellness life and so forth. And always remember, your health is the number one priority. Your health is your number one priority. If you cannot help yourself, then you can't help, families and others, and so forth. So let's stay healthy and let's help others as well. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.